I have a green card and I want to sponsor my parents. Can I do that? Hi, my name is Audra Doyle and I'm the owner and attorney of Doyle Law here in Atlanta, Georgia. And unfortunately, if you have a green card, you are not allowed to sponsor your parents for a green card. If you have a green card, you can only sponsor your spouse and your unmarried children. That is the F2A and F2B visa categories. Now you can go to the visa bulletin and look to see the list of family members that you are able to sponsor as both a permanent resident, that means green card, or as a U.S. citizen. So for those of you who are permanent residents now, you need to think about applying for your own U.S. citizenship. And for most of you, that means you're going to be waiting either 3 years or 5 years after you receive your citizenship. Once you become a citizen, the very next day, you will be eligible to start the sponsorship process for your parents. So at the time you have a green card, unfortunately, you cannot sponsor the parents for a green card. And the next thing that people like to ask is, well, what can I do for them? How can I invite them to the U.S.? Several times I have seen green card holders successfully invite their parents to the U.S. They write a letter of invitation. It may say, "Dear Mom and Dad, we're expecting our first baby and we would love for you to come be with us during this special time. And we will pay for your trip. We will allow you to stay in our home." The parents then take that letter and they use it when they are applying for visitors visas to show that they have a legitimate reason for coming to the United States. Now, keep in mind with visitor visas, they're pretty hard to get, but a letter of invitation like that with a clear reason for wanting to come visit to the U.S. will be helpful. So keep in mind, if you have a green card, you're not yet eligible to sponsor your parents for a green card, but you will be able to do everything else. So thank you for joining me today. And as always, if you have any questions, please let me know.